How's it going, man?
What's up?
What you got running in here?
This is NSV6 15 on 3 ruthless 8500s.
Yes, sir.
With 180 amp hours of lifting. C-Max.
You got plenty of it. You got plenty of it. Yeah, you got it, yes, sir.
Just got it put together, man. The box, the enclosure was my main thing. You know, getting the enclosure right. And I can work around everything else.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Hey, man, more than all right.
I got some playing around with it to do.
Yeah, man, you got it looking good. You built everything yourself?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the way to go right there.
And off my own brain. I've been in the audio game probably 30 years. So.
Oh, you been doing this then? Yeah. You ain't just stepping in.
Nah, this is finally one of the best, probably the biggest ones I've done so far. Just getting back into it, really.
Hey, man, there's always some work to keep motivate to keep going anyway.
Yeah, I lost my son, and my son was 20 years old. And, he got murdered in Marion, North Carolina, and he was really big in the car.
He liked it.
He was here with me in 21, and we was out there. You know, he had his truck fixed up in 215s, and I had mine. And we was up here hanging out, and then the next thing you know, he got shot and killed. So,
what?
Yeah, just kind of in memory of him, and when I play this music,
it keeps you going.
Yeah, and you know, a lot of people look at car audio like it's like we're a nuisance or we're crazy or something.
Yeah.
You know the higher majority of the population, or
they don't understand.
Yeah, but this is
it's like a therapy.
Therapy for me. Yeah.
Man, you know, when I started doing it, you know, I didn't really think about it like that at first. You know, cause I still like it, cause I don't mind loud music, but the regular people don't. Yeah. And I get to see all different kind of people and different things they go through. Right. And they say sometimes I just gotta go outside and turn the radio on, right. and it helps them.
It gets you, puts you in your peace place.
Right.
Yeah.
You know,
I'll tell you what, I was a rough customer. I've been to federal prison and everything.
Yeah.
And people that look down on car audio should think about it, because man could be robbing their house.
Right.
Pilfering through their garage.
You could be doing a whole lot.
I do this. I do this, and this is how I stay out of trouble.
It keep you.
Yeah. And everybody in the car audio, in the gaming industry, ain't on nothing bad that I, you know what I mean?
Yeah. And the thing about the majority of the community, they either done been through some, on some, somewhere, done lost some things.
Yeah.
You know, it helped everybody get through there. And this little one little reunion we have, it help you clear your mind while you're here.
It definitely does. Yeah.
You know, I hate we can't have them all the time though.
I didn't have car shows. Because people think it's a problem.
Yeah, we can't just get to Walmart and do it. You know, like the young guys, they can get their cars up there and do it, but they don't let us do it like that.
Yeah, I mean, it is loud, but I mean, it soothes your soul. I mean, all the vibration and feeling the music like that on the low end.
And I say most people go to concerts, so they really shouldn't have a problem with it.
Yeah.
You know, that's just where we live in.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, it was so good seeing you, brother. Are you online anywhere that can follow you?
Just Jonathan Watson on Facebook.
Okay, y'all know I'm going to give him a follow and I'm going to tag him down below. Man, it was good seeing you. Good talking to you, bro. Thank you. Y'all got the, let me get one of these.
All right.
Appreciate it, man.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, man.
It's good to meet you, man.
You too, bro. I'll see you at the next one.
All right.
Yeah, that was good right there, bro. Oh, yeah, that thing nice, man.